Welcome back. In today's quick update, I'll show you exactly how to set Telegram channel notifications to a short vibration. This is perfect if you want subtle alerts without long or distracting buzzes. Let's jump right in. First, open your Telegram app on your device. Once you're inside, look at the top corner of your screen and tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, this could be the three-line icon or your profile picture. Next, go to Settings. This is where you can control all your app preferences, including notifications. Now tap on Notifications and Sounds. This section lets you customize how Telegram alerts you for messages, groups, and channels. From here, select Channel. This is important because we're specifically adjusting notification settings for channels, not private chats or groups. Once you're inside the channel settings, tap on More Options. This gives you access to additional customization features that aren't shown on the main screen. Now find and tap on Vibrate. This is where you can control how your phone vibrates when you receive channel notifications. You'll see several vibration options available. Simply choose Short. This setting ensures that your notifications are quick and less intrusive, making it easier to stay updated without constant long vibrations. And that's it. Your Telegram channel notifications are now set to short vibration. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you follow multiple channels and want to keep notifications minimal but still noticeable. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more Telegram tips and tricks to get the most out of the app.